Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Today we have a very exciting video, as you guys can tell by the title. I got a camera! I'm so excited, y'all. The package is right here, and we're gonna just open this together, and I'm so excited. I got a camera because I film on my iPhone, and the quality is great on the iPhone, but it's just that I run out of storage so fast, so I'd rather have a camera and it's still like good quality, and then I can still have storage on my phone. So let's open this up, and I'm gonna try to do this video fast because the air is broke in my house and it's hot. Let's open her up. Okay, so here she is. She comes packaged like this. I'm saying she. So I got the Canon PowerShot SX740HS, and I got my camera from Best Buy, but it wasn't in stock when I wanted to get it, so we ordered it. It came in 2 days. 2 days for free shipping. The camera was $400. It was $399, but basically $400. And we're just gonna open it up. Okay, this is what it looks like. Whoops. It comes with something, I don't even know. It comes with instructions, a little instruction booklet, which we'll probably need that. And then it comes with this little manual thing. I don't know. Then I'm gonna just lift this up. The first thing I see here, it comes with a charging battery thing, another instruction paper, but let's just show y'all the battery. Here's how the battery looks, and it's like it's for you to charge the battery, and then you can put it in your camera, I believe, so you don't have to buy batteries for your camera. It comes with a wristlet. This is the little thing that you can put it onto your camera, and then you can put it around your wrist so you won't drop it. And I will definitely need this because as clumsy as I am, I'll need that. And then we have here the camera. I like how it's not a bunch of different little gadgets. Like, it's just exactly what you need. So here it is. Here she is. She is gorgeous. So this is the screen. It just looks like this. I like how it looks. It's not too big, not too small, and I like it because it comes with a viewfinder, so that is great. So I'm just gonna turn the camera on, and let's see, here's the on button right here, so let's turn it on. Do I just click it once? I wonder if it's dead.
It's not turning on.
I'm holding the button down. This little button I just found out. This is how you turn on the flash. Okay, y'all, so I was about to have a panic attack, and I sure was gonna go to Best Buy because I thought I was missing something. But here is the battery pack. It also comes with a battery pack, so we're gonna have to put that in. I'm not sure if it's already charged or not, so if it's not, I'm gonna charge it for a little while, and then I'll be back. I'm just going to open it up. You open it up from the bottom with this little switch, and sorry y'all hear my mom in the kitchen. It has a arrow right here, and we're going to just insert it like this, I believe. So I just turned it on and this just came out. All right, so we're gonna put it in the right time and the day. It says it's in 2018. It's clearly 2020, so 1 second. So this is how the camera looks right now. And it records in 4K. It also, you can see the zoom. It zooms out a lot. And all right, so we are switched to the camera. This is the quality of it. It might, I'm not sure how it looks actually. It looks like it's pretty good quality to me. And I don't know like how close this thing is up to my face. But yeah, I think I have this. I'm in my sister's bathroom. So as y'all see, it has the viewfinder. And you can flip it so I can see it myself. It looks like that. So I think it's a pretty nice camera. I'm gonna actually go outside so y'all can see what it looks like in different settings. So as you see, it's darker in here. Here, let me see how it looks. It's darker, so this is how it looks in the dark. And now we're gonna go outside. Look at her. So I like how it auto focuses on my face. And y'all, I mess with the quality. It looks pretty good. Really worth your money. Thank y'all for watching. I think I'm gonna end the clips here in this video here. This is the quality. I must try to look at the camera and not at the viewfinder. But yeah, this is the camera. And I think if y'all are looking for a camera to start y'all's YouTube and that's affordable, not too out of range, I think this one is the one for you. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. I know this song was so good. I'm trapped in